Hey everyone. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about adding bullet points to your posts in Facebook. Now, there are going to be different instructions depending on if you're a PC user or a Mac user, but bullet points either way are a great way to really organize your thoughts a little bit better when you're writing a message to someone, when you're chatting with someone online, however you're doing it. It's just a nice way to organize your thoughts. So I can jump on here, find my friend Mike Holloman, and because I'm using a Mac, I can hit option 8, and that will give me a bullet point. So try that right now. You hit the button option and 8, and you get bullet points. So it's easy for me to say bullet point number 1. I hit option 8. This is bullet point number 1. So that's like your first point of whatever list you're trying to make. Then you hit option 8 again, and it says bullet point 2 comes up. Bullet point number 2. So yeah, it's very easy to make bullet points in Mac. If you're on a Windows-based machine, you may actually need to use a combination of multiple keys. On a computer that is PC-based, you're going to hold down the Alt key and hit the buttons 1, 4, and 9. So try that right now. I can't do it because I'm using an Apple computer. Alt 1, 4, 9. You should have a bullet point come up, and then you can organize your thoughts better while you're talking with your friends and making lists on Facebook. My name's Anders Johnson, and today I showed you how to make bullet points on both PC-based systems and Mac-based systems in the Facebook universe.